Hello again, folks. Something a bit different. I've forgotten to stop. Ready?
Oh.
Okay. Hello. Take 3. Hello again, folks. Something a bit different. I've been watching Mark Carter up north, and he's been handcuffing himself to different things, which I thought was quite amusing. So, also to keep with quite amusing, I'm going to handcuff myself with these 3D plastic cuffs, like so. And I'm going to handcuff myself to the wall. Because why not, right?
Of course. It's a normal thing to do.
That's a big fan of the silliness.
Yes.
Let's double lock it as well. Make sure we're nice and secure in these plastic cuffs.
Yeah.
So we double locked to the wall. I've been kidnapped. And we didn't know they kidnapped a lockpicker. And we didn't realise we used plastic cuffs. So here we go. We're going to try and get a double, not with that.
Let's try that again.
We're going to try and get the double lock off. I did say try. It's very different. There we go. That's it for now, so folks. See you tomorrow for day 27. Bye for now.